In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Calendly appointment link in an HTML email signature. 5 minutes. We'll start in Calendly. Sign into your account, then choose the scheduling link you want people to use. You can share a specific event type if you want to control the meeting length or context, or you can use your main scheduling page if you prefer to let people choose. Once you've decided, click Copy Link so it's saved to your clipboard. That's the URL your recipients will click to book time with you. Now switch to your email client. I'll show this in Gmail, but the flow is similar elsewhere. Open your inbox, then click the settings gear in the top right. From there, select See All Settings to open the Full Preferences panel. In the General tab, scroll down until you reach the Signature section. Create a new signature. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to maintain multiple signatures for different roles or teams. Click Create, and you'll see the signature editor appear. In the editor, type the text you want to show in your emails, like your name, title, and a short call to action, such as schedule a meeting. Keep the wording concise and friendly so people immediately understand what the link does. Highlight the call to action, then use the insert link option in the toolbar. In the link window, paste the Calendly URL you copied earlier into the URL field and confirm. This embeds your scheduling link directly into your signature so recipients can book with one click. If you prefer a visual element, you can add an image, such as a small badge or icon. Use the image button in the toolbar and either upload a file or insert one from a URL. Place it neatly alongside your text so the signature looks clean and professional. A quick tip, keep images small to avoid distracting from your message or making emails feel heavy for mobile readers. When everything looks the way you want, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. That applies the new signature to your outgoing emails. From now on, your Calendly link sits right in your signature, making it effortless for clients, colleagues, or prospects to pick a time that works. That's all it takes. You copied your booking link, added it to a polished HTML signature, and saved the changes. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.